We'll come back to mudras. Let's dive into mantras because mantras is real basic. Mantras is the affirmations you affirm while in meditation. And you could make those up too. You could just tell yourself, I am that I am. While in a meditative state, keep telling yourself, I am that I am, I am that I am, I am that I am. That's a basic one to start with. From there, you can make your own up. But a basic one to start with is I am that I am, because that's a cosmic truth. And you're affirming that. So while in a meditative state, you're affirming that over your entire being. Right? Remember, we are ancient beings. We are gods. So we are what makes us gods? Because we have spirit and soul. We are immortal. We will never die. We are forever. Okay? We are gods. So saying I am that I am is your true name. Even before you, because you come from source. I am that I am. All right? And what is I? I represents the soul. Am is everything. All right? Am is everything. All right? Am is everything. So Am is nature. Am is the physical realms. Am is the spiritual realms and the quantum realms, the astral realms, the etheric realms. Am is the multiverse. All right? Am comes from A standing for Ananuki, M standing for multiverse. All right? Because we are multiversal beings and we are multidimensional beings. So I represents the soul. A represents Ananuki, M represents multidimensional / multiverse. So this is what I am even means. They'll never tell you that. You see, I am. That's why it's I am that I am. Even in the Jesus story, it asks his name. Say he said, I am that I am. Right? In the Jesus story in the Bible, when you go read the gospel. Okay? So it's imperative to know what the I, the A, and the M means from a metaphysical point. When you like, I am that I am. Okay? Because that's your name. I am that I am. Because that connects you to everything. That's why I said pull your pads out for this lesson. So that's a basic mantra to start with. And from there, once you understand the concept of a mantra, it's just an affirmation. Whatever you say in that mantra, you're affirming that. Okay? So let's just say you want to manifest something. You would apply that to your meditation as you get more advanced. You can say while you're in your meditative state with your posture based upon what you're trying to do, then you can apply whatever mantra you want to because you understand the concept of the mantra. But the basic one to start off with is I am that I am, because that is your source name. That is your spiritual name. Okay? Like my name is Divine Insight. That's my galactic name. That's my reason for being. But before Divine Insight, if we going back to source when I was originally created, all right, it would be I am that I am. And not just me, that's all of us Ananuki gods. All of us with spirit and soul. All of us cosmic beings of luminous light. That's what we are. All right, and we also have a bunch of galactic tribes that we come from and descend from, but that's after. We all started from source, which is headquarters. This all souls are created till this day. Headquarters. What's headquarters? Headquarters, Sirius X. Okay, that's headquarters. That's where we all come from. New souls as well. All right, even the fallen angels, the fallen gods, everything started on Sirius X. Okay, so before we keep going, remember, I am that I am. What's the I? I means the soul. Okay, A represents Ananuki. M stands for multidimensional / multiverse. Okay, I am that I am. When you say I, that means the soul, my soul, Anunnaki. You. It's no more power. It's nothing more powerful than the Anunnaki, than Anunnaki. All right, that's us. Okay, and the multiverse is something that we created, and we are also multidimensional beings because we are forever. We will never die. We exist everywhere. This is the reason you go to sleep every night. Okay, so that's a mantra. Now let's get back to the mudras. Okay. Now that we know, once again, let's go back over the phalanges and what they represent. Water, which is the first element we created. The second element we ever created, fire. The third element we created, soil. But the fourth, air. Before we created the planets, we had water first. This is why water is the whole cosmos is warm water. Your avatar is made out of nothing but water. All your organs float in water. They say your avatar is majority water, right? Everything is water. It's the most powerful of the elements, all right? Because it was first. After the water, we created the fire. Out of the fire, we used the fire to shape what we now know is soil today on this planet, all right? So that's Earth. And then the last is the air, right? We use the air to push everything together. All right, but all four elements combined, very, very strong. And the fifth one is plasma energy. Okay, so water, fire, earth, air, plasma energy. Okay, remember that. All right, because when you're doing your mudras, that's you basing your mudras off what elements you're trying to connect with. But it gets deeper than that. It connects to your chakras. Okay, so this is why each chakra has its own personal basic mudra. All right, so let's talk about your chakras. You have 7. Okay, but that's just on a physical level. On a spiritual level, it's over 144 and going and going and keep going up. But we just talking right here on this realm, on planet Kai, on this realm of Atlantis, right? You have 7. Okay, this is why they made 7 days of the week. All right, now you have 7. Let's talk about it. You got the root chakra. What does the root chakra deal with? It deals with fear and it deals with survival. But that's your lower self, which is still a part of you. The root chakra is your lower self, or the nether realms, or the satanic realms. It represents the lowest version of energy because it's duality in all things. You have to understand this on a metaphysical level. All right. Now your crown chakra, which is your highest in the physical state, that connects you to the spiritual realms, and it deals to cleanse out that chakra. You have to detach from the physical realm. Okay. So those are your 2. Root. And what's the opposite of that? Spiritual realm. You see, highest vibration, lowest vibration. Now that them 2 out the way, you got 5 left. This is where your mudras come in at. What's the next one? Sacral chakra. What's the next one after that? Solar plexus chakra. What's the next one after that? Heart chakra. What's the next one after that? Throat chakra. And what's the next one after that? Third eye or brow chakra. There go your 5. You with me? There go your 5. Root and crown represents higher self, lower self, duality, as above, so below. You get what I'm saying? Root chakra, nether realms, satanic realms. See, you in your lowest state. That part of you exists because there's a possibility for every possibility. Okay. Crown chakra connects you back spiritual realms. All right. So now I want you to notice something. The root chakra, when somebody's stuck in their root chakra, they're gonna have a red glow to their aura. Okay. When somebody's in their sacral chakra, they're gonna have an orange glow to them. This is where your colors of the rainbow come from. Solar plexus chakra, they'll have a golden glow to them, like a yellowish golden glow. Heart chakra, a greenish glow to their aura field. Throat chakra, a sky bluish glow to their aura. Third eye chakra, a royal blue glow to their aura. Crown chakra, a violet glow to their aura. All right? Well, let's get deep because it connects to the elements. Let's move them 2 out the way. Root and crown. You stuck with 5. You got 5 phalanges. That's why the mudras connect. Each chakra connects to an element. Your sacral chakra connects you and it gives you domain over fire. This is why it's orange, just like the ember of the flame on fire. See it? It's orange right there. The bottom is blue. The blue flame is the warmest part of the flame, though. The orange part is the ember. But this is why the sacral chakra is orange. It has an orange